Welcome back, aspirants, on MacTech 40, and today is the second lecture of the static GK. Okay, so today we will discuss about the metals and their ores. So basically, what are the ores? So as you know, as you have seen the metals that are using household and industrial purpose, so they are not directly we are not getting directly from earth crust. They are in some raw material form. We are extracting in and we are processing two different process, and after that we are getting the metals that we are using in day to day life. Okay, so that raw material that we are getting from earth crust is known as ore. Okay, hope you guys understand. The metal, they are in the form of rocks and some sand also. Okay, so they are not useful for direct conversation. Okay, so first they are processed, then we are getting final output as a metal of our industrial and household use. Okay, so let's start. So today we will see the 20 metals and their ores. Okay, so first one is iron, magnesium, aluminium, sodium, potassium, calcium, copper, silver, gold, zinc, uranium, manganese, tin, lead, antimony, cadmium, barium, cobalt, nickel, and mercury. Okay, and one more thing, at the end of this video I will post some question for you. You have to answer in the comment box. Okay, so I come to know that how much you learned from this. Okay, and how much you know before this lecture. Okay, some they are basically on static part. Okay, and they are based on static part. Okay, so let's start with iron. So the this in this picture you can see the hematite, Fe2O3, its chemical formula. The hematite, it is a main iron ore. Okay, and it is generally found in everywhere in the world. Okay, in form of rocks, like, as you can see in the picture, and it is the color is majority of blackish type. Okay, so hematite, it is a main ore of iron. Okay, and one more thing, you have to note down somewhere, because 20 metals and their different ores you cannot just remember by listening to it. So I request you, all of you, to just note down somewhere. Okay, so and these hematite are majority found in Odisha and Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh and Andhra Pradesh, basically of the Chota Nagpur Pathar Plateau. Okay, second ore is magnetite, Fe3O4. This is very magnetic. So in the raw form, the hematite is not magnetic, but this magnetite, it is by name, it is a magnetic. It in raw form it attracts the magnet, so that's why it is very magnetic. The color is grayish black type. Okay, as you can see in the picture, and it is majority of found in Karnataka, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. These are the major states where majority of our total mining is done. Okay, next ore of iron is siderite. Siderite is iron carbonate. Okay, it is a pale yellow color. Its color is a pale yellow type, as you can see in picture, and this yellow color is basically presence of the sulfur. Whenever you see the yellowish color in some ore, so just you have to note that there is some amount of sulfur present in it. Okay, so in this siderite, it's the 48% iron, and remaining is sulfur, phosphorus, zinc, and magnesium. Okay, so this is the third is siderite, FeCO3. Fourth one is limonite. Limonite, it is a hydroxide form of iron, and it is yellowish because the hydroxides of iron are present. Okay, and this type of ores are basically found in Uttar Pradesh, and if I talk some specifically in Sonbhadra district. Okay, and in Garhwal district in Uttarakhand, and Kangra Valley, Himachal Pradesh. Okay, these are the major sites of in India where we are finding limonite. And this is pyrite, iron pyrite. Okay, it is also called as fool's gold. Why fool's gold, I will tell you later when we will see the gold and their ores. Okay, and basically sulfur is present. Okay, that's why it is yellowish. Okay, and generally it is found in Bihar and some part of Rajasthan. Our next metal is magnesium. Magnesium and its magnesite MgCO3. It is the main ore of magnesium. You can see in the picture. It majority contain magnesium, cobalt, and nickel. Okay, and generally it found in Uttarakhand, Tamil Nadu, and Rajasthan. Okay, and the one more thing for static question: the magnesium, the maximum deposits are in Rajasthan and MP, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so the main ore of magnesium is magnesite. Second is dolomite. Dolomite from dolomite we are getting two metals, magnesium as well as calcium also. Okay, in carbonate form, and the majority of this dolomite are found in India only in Chhattisgarh. Okay, around 80% of our total mining of dolomite is done in Chhattisgarh. Next is uh, kieserite. In it is sulfate form. Okay, and it is named after the founder Kaiser, and he is from Germany, and this type of ore is generally found in Germany. Okay, just remember it. Next ore of magnesium is carnallite. Carnallite, it is in evaporative in nature because when you just put in normal atmosphere, it will evaporate in some time. Okay, and here we can get potassium, magnesium as well. Okay, next is, so now we will start from aluminum and their ores. So main ore of aluminum is bauxite. Hope you all know, you have studied from 10th. Okay, bauxite, it is a main source of aluminum as well as gallium. Okay, gallium is also we will get as a side product, and majority of bauxites are bauxite mining is done in Odisha, Gujarat, Jharkhand, and Maharashtra. Okay, so this is important. This has been asked in many exams also. Next is corundum. It is a aluminum oxide. Okay, and it is crystalline structure and basically transplant, and it is available in various colors as you can see in the picture here, some red and yellow. And so the color is basically based on their impurities, and impurities are not impurities like we have to just throw it. They are of chromium. Okay, and sulfur also. Okay, basically there are some precious material are as the impurities. Okay, and generally we are found this in Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Next is cryolite. Cryolite is a sodium aluminum phosphate. It is very rare. Okay, this is not generally found in India, and generally this first time it was reported in Greenland. Okay, and sodium, we will also get sodium if we extract it. Okay, our next ore of aluminum is alunite. It is hydroxylated aluminum, potassium, and sulfate mineral. As you can see, this is yellowish color because of sulfur presence. Okay, and generally it is seen in Rome in Italy. Our next metal is sodium. So main ore of sodium is chili saltpeter or sodium carbonate. Okay, or sodium nitrate, not sodium carbonate, sorry, sodium nitrate. And this majorly it is used in fireworks. So remember the name chili saltpeter or sodium nitrate. Okay, next ore of aluminum sodium is borax. And borax is a not, we are not, we cannot say that it is just a ore. Some in somewhere in some cases like brazing of copper pipes in wherever the brazing is done in air conditioning industries. Okay, there is, so to prevent the oxidation of copper when the brazing is done, so the borax coating is done. Okay, so there we are using as a final product. And it is also using impurities in casting. Okay, slag, mechanical guys, you understand what is the slag. And some slag are dissolved in oxide form. So what borax, when you add the borax powder, as you can see here, so this borax powder will extract that all the impurities that are in oxide form, and it will come out on the surface and float, so that we can easily remove it. Okay, so this is borax is used, and we are getting sodium as well. Next metal is potassium. Potassium, the ore, basic ore is potassium nitrate. Okay, it is used in gunpowder as well as fertilizer also and fireworks also. Another matter, sorry, another chemical that is the same of the same property. It is using as a fertilizer and in bomb making. Okay, ammonium nitrate. Okay, so you have to remember this ammonium nitrate and potassium nitrate here. Next metal is calcium. As I told you, dolomite, it is a common ore for magnesium as well as calcium, and 80% of total mining of dolomite is done in Chhattisgarh. Next is calcite. Okay, here also we can get magnesium as well as calcium, but magnesium in very small amount. And generally, these are found in Rajasthan where the sandstone mines are there. So from that we are getting this calcite, and Andhra Pradesh as well as Maharashtra also. Our next metal is copper. This is very interesting, okay, because from ancient times we are using copper. Okay, so the main ore of copper, not main, this is a cuprite, Cu2O, in the oxide form we are getting, and it is solid rock form. The majority of this cuprite ore are found in Ural Mountains area and Chile. Chile is a country of South America, and it is a called as largest producer of copper in the world. Okay, next is copper glance. Copper glance, in here copper is present with sulfur, so somewhat yellowish, and it is a main ore. Okay, and other name is chalcocite, and generally in its main content in found in Chile and Peru. Okay, and talking about Indian reserves, so in India there is a Khetri copper belt, that is a continuous area, so it is known as belt. Okay, so a Khetri belt in Rajasthan, Singhbhum Copper Belt in Jharkhand, and Malanjkhand, Malanjkhand, Malanjkhand Copper Belt in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so these are three locations where we are getting copper glance. You have to remember world where the maximum reserve in the world as well as in India. Okay, because in questionnaire can ask anything. Next is copper pyrite, and copper pyrite other name is chalcopyrite. Okay, and it is sulfide, iron and sulfur. Okay, here the copper glance only sulfur is present, and here iron is also present, so that's somewhat blackish is looking. Our next ore is of Ag, that means Ag means our silver. You surprised that why I'm using only abbreviations, not writing full names, because in some CHSL exam 10 plus 2 they are asking abbreviations also. Okay, so that's why I'm using only abbreviations. The main is ruby silver. Okay, is a prostite. Other name is prostite and mainly found in Chile. Okay, the next ore of silver is ruby silver, and ruby silver is known as chlorag chloragite. Okay, and majority of this found in Australia also. Okay, and here some antimony also we can find as a byproduct. Okay, so these two are basic ruby silver. Sorry, this is not a ruby silver. This is horn silver. I've done some mistake here. Sorry for this interruption. This is not a ruby silver. This is horn silver. Okay, and here antimony you will also get as a byproduct, and majorly it is found in Australia. Next, our ore is of metal gold. Here you can see the ore of gold, and I have told you somewhere else that is iron pyrite. That is the fool's gold. Why? Because when you extract, so iron pyrite and this calaverite, they both look same. Okay, so uh, some people will treat it as a gold, but it is actually iron. So that's why it is called fool's gold. Okay, and other name of calaverite is gold tellurite, and generally mainly found in California, USA. Okay, And the next ore is of zinc metal, zinc blend. This is the major ore of zinc. You have to remember zinc blend. ZNS is chemical formula, and sulfurite because sulfur is present, so its other name is sulfurite. Next ore is zincite, ZNO. This is another ore of zinc and calamine, zinc carbonate. And this calamine is majorly you have seen like in summer sunscreen lotion, okay, and there is some mild itchiness in your skin, so this as a lotion you are using. And one very famous, like you have all, I think you all watch cricket, so some players have applied some white cream on their face, so they are the basically zinc based cream, okay, sunscreen lotion based on zinc. And the major constituent is calamine, okay. Next is uranium, very very important. Basic is carnasite. Another one is pitch blend. Generally in majority of world, the pitch blend is more, okay. The pitch blend ore is major compared to carnasite. And as I told you, major source of uranium, pitch blend. And the largest deposits are in Australia and Kazakhstan. In Australia, the reserves are more, but production is not highest, and the production is in commercial form is highest in Kazakhstan. So that's why Kazakhstan is called the central powerhouse of Asia. Okay, Central Asia's powerhouse. Sorry, Kazakhstan is known as Central Asia's powerhouse. Why? Because it is extracting the uranium from the ore, and it is doing the production in form of our commercial form. Okay, so that's why Kazakhstan is known as Central Asia's powerhouse. And why Central Asia? Because Kazakhstan is in a Central Asiatic part. Okay, so that's why it is known as powerhouse of the Central Asia. Next is the manganese ores. Manganese ores is pyrolusite. Here, from here, there is no any detail, but we have to just remember the name. Okay. In exam, generally, it is not asking the use or many details like major deposits. So we will just look only the name of this metal and their ores. So manganese ore is pyrolusite, MnO2. Tin. Tin is cassiterite. Ore is cassiterite. You have seen in your life science also, you might have studied. Otherwise, lead, it is a galena, PbS, in sulfate form. Okay, so lead ore is galena, and in India it is found in Bhilwara, Rajasthan. Another one is antimony. Okay, no, this is not antimony, this is the yes, it is antimony. It is stibnite. Okay, the basic ore is stibnite of antimony. And one more thing, this lead in Tin is generally used in our food products, where you seen in the some rasgullas box, okay, and oil, that is 18 liter or 20-liter oil, that major can, the big can, okay, that is made of tin. But the lead and antimony and cadmium, okay, so these are present in the our e-waste. If e-waste is not properly recycled or not properly uh, trashed, so the toxic gases are in vapor form will come into atmosphere, and it will causes some very harmful disease. Okay, so that's why government is promoting on recycling of e-waste. Okay, e-waste collection center government has established. Okay, so is a stibnite. Next is cadmium, and cadmium's ore is greenocyte, CDS. Okay, it's a basic ore of cadmium. Next is barium. It is British BAS in sulfate form. Its ore is British. British. Okay. Next material is cobalt. Cobalt's ore is smellite. Okay, and it is brown metal. It is also known as brown metal because as you see in the picture, it is a brownish type. Okay, so smellite is ore of cobalt. Next is nickel. Nickel is a another, and it is a very easily mixed with it. Nickel will get easily mixed in copper. Okay, as the mechanical guys, you have studied the phase diagram. Okay, So in liquid phase, in solid phase, and in binary phase, this nickel has a very good affinity with copper, so that easily we can make a different composition. We will make different alloys by a different composition of copper and nickel. So its ore is millerite. Okay. Next is mercury. So mercury is ore known as cinnabar, HGS. Okay. So this one thing while come into your mind while studying mercury. So one disease caused due to mercury, if in excessive in water, if we take excessive mercury intake, okay, it is Minamata. Okay, the Minamata disease is caused due to the presence of Hg or mercury, and this question has been asked in engineering service prelim exam 2019 in GS paper 1. Okay, that's why told you. Okay, so as I told you earlier, we have question answer session also. You have to comment these four answers, okay, in the comment box. The first question is, Ural mountain divide which two continents? Okay, you have to tell me in our comment box. Second question is, was iron discovered in Harappan civilization or not? Yes or no? You have to tell me yes or no. Third question is, in which type of rocks in India gold mines are present? Okay, there are different sedimentary rocks and different types of rocks. Okay, so in which type of rocks in India the gold mines are present? Fourth one is, there are two uranium sites in India. One is commercially available and it is operational, and second one is just new founded, just a few months, 6 7 months ago. Okay, so you have to tell me the name, location where the operational site is there, and the name of the state. The first, you have to tell the place name of the place where the site is located, and second, the state. Okay, where the this uh, new ore is found. Okay, hope you guys understand. And if you not can come to this point, then again I would suggest you to revise this video. Okay, and make a note and revise, otherwise you will forget after some time. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and subscribe this channel for daily this kind of video of GATE, ESC, SSC, JE, and all these exams. Okay, and share with your friends also, so that they will also get benefited. Thank you for watching. Till then, keep studying, stay focused.